Respected principal, teachers and my friends, Assalamu alaikum. First of all, I would like to thank our host for inviting me on stage. It is my honor to deliver a speech in front of worthy principal, honorable teachers and my dear classmates. I will begin my speech by describing to you the pains and sacrifices to achieve this country, Pakistan. When the British took over in 1857, Muslim was the victim of British cruelty. In such times, leaders like Quaid-e-Azam, Ilham Iqbal, Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, Liaquat Ali Khan and Chaudhry Rahmat Ali worked hard days and nights to get for us a separate homeland for our welfare. After thousands of deaths, we achieved Pakistan on 14th August. Finally, Pakistan was stable after early sacrifices. But then something happened on 6 September dawn, which was harsher than ever. Dear friends, India attacked Pakistan at 5 a.m. without any declaration or warning. Pakistanis were shocked and replied to them in befitting manners. We destroyed their tanks, checkposts and aircrafts. MM Alam set the example of excellence on 7 September. He shot down 5 Indian Hunters aircraft with F-86, which is still recalled. Not only that, Major Raja Aziz Bhatti wrote the tale of bravery with his blood. He got Nishan-e-Haidar for his valor, which saved Lahore. मिली नहीं ये अर्ज़े पाक हमें तोहफे में, मिली नहीं ये अर्ज़े पाक हमें तोहफे में, जला को दीप बुझे हैं तो ये चिराग जला. Dear friends, Indians destroyed tanks are still in a Pakistani museum today. Pakistanis visit them and take pride that our army did not let any of them damage our cities. Respected audience, it is due to our soldiers' blood that we can celebrate Defense Day today. Each soldier of our army is our pride. Their blood is the foundation of our freedom. Let us pray that Pakistan continue to exist till Judgment Day. ए वतन तुझसे नया अहदे वफा करते हैं, ए वतन तुझसे नया अहदे वफा करते हैं, माल क्या चीज़ है हम जान फिदा करते हैं. सुर्ख हो जाती है जब सहने चमन की मिट्टी, सुर्ख हो जाती है जब सहने चमन की मिट्टी, इसी मौसम में नए फूल खिला करते हैं. थैंक यू.